Yeah, this is the best view in Seattle. Let me show you. Hi friends, Alex Kai's here, and this is a home in Seattle. Today I'm in search of a great view, and I'd really like to find something spectacular. And since Seattle's full of amazing views around every corner, I think we're in luck. I'm in East Lake right now, which has great sights of the city and Lake Union, but sorry for the noise because it's also right underneath the highway. Views are expensive. Here's a townhouse development with 4 homes, 2 facing the street and 2 in back, and the ones in front with more natural light because the windows are facing the street. They usually sell for about $50,000 to $100,000 more. Now, I'm putting together an offer for this East Lake home, and I thought I'd use this opportunity to go around the neighborhood, explore, and show you some of the best Seattle views along the way. So I found this floating home that I think is truly going to be stunning. And there's a lot of confusion between floating homes and houseboats out there. Essentially, a floating home is more like a condo where you often have an HOA to pay for the docks and the systems, but it feels like your own space and it feels like a home. It's just on water. And a houseboat is just what it sounds like. It's a boat that's been converted to a house. And oftentimes you're renting the slip and paying a lot of fees there. And they're much smaller, and they often have an engine to power them. Let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in learning more about these truly unique homes. I haven't seen Sleepless in Seattle in a while, but since the 90s, floating homes have changed quite a bit. Now, the home in the movie was pretty nice, but it's nothing like these floating homes are today. Let's have a look around. This is a $3.5 million home, and it really does shine. It's pretty. The finishes are outstanding. The appliances are top end. And this space just flows really nicely. But really, it's all about that view. All of the bedrooms are on the lower level, and this entrance is just really cool. We've got a floating staircase, and it looks like 3 bedrooms right here. So we've got this nice bathroom. All of the tile work is really nice. Wood everywhere. You know, if I was on a floating home, I'd really want wood touches throughout. We've got this really cool steel door, just really nice and heavy. It's a bedroom here, or a cozy study. Another bedroom here with an ensuite and a walk-in closet. I saw stairs going down, but I don't even know what's down there. We're going underwater now. So this is very cool. A nice wine cellar. I have to stoop to get in here. And then all the mechanical systems. But remember, it's all about the view. I'm stopping at Ivars for lunch, not only because of the view, but also because I'm in love with the beloved Seattle restaurateur, begrudged politician, successful real estate mogul, and famed prankster Ivar Haugland. There's a lot to say about Ivar, but his success with real estate is incredible. Not only did he purchase Pier 54 on the waterfront and all the spaces for all of his other restaurants, but he bought Smith Tower in 1976 for $1.8 million, and sold it in 1985, right before he died, for $5.5 million. It last sold in 2015 for almost $75 million. Did you know that it was the tallest building on the West Coast before the Space Needle was built in the 60s? And it's pretty impressive. It's a pretty building. Okay, let me show you this really pretty Queen Anne house. We're right at the top of the hill, and the views are just incredible. It doesn't really get much better than Queen Anne. Depending on what side of the hill you're on, you can see Capitol Hill, you can see Lake Union, you can see downtown, you can see the Puget Sound. You really have your pick of really incredible views. And this house is priced at $2.5 million, which is kind of a good deal for what you're getting here. This is an old house built in the 1920s, and you can see a lot of those old historic craftsman touches in here. There's a lot of built-ins, the molding is nice and thick, the ceilings are tall, the wood floors are just beautiful. I love these like top nailed floors where you can see all of those nail marks. So we have a nice little sitting room here. There's a dining room. The kitchen is really nice. I love these big sliding doors just kind of open up to the deck. And then all of the appliances are, of course, very nice. And then this deck is just stunning. And then upstairs, this bathroom is very nice, tile everywhere. There's 3 bedrooms up here. I really like old closets with windows in them. And then 2 of these bedrooms open onto this deck with, again, stunning view. We moved into our house about 2 months ago, and there's plenty of projects to get done. It's a little messy, but we're planning to replace the chandelier here. We're gonna put a feature wall over here, recessed lighting, some of these smaller projects before we really do anything major. But the biggest thing is the office space here, and we're expecting a baby in November. And our basement space really needs to be turned into an office. Also, this is a giant mess. Come on. Okay, so this is our basement here. We're gonna take down this wall, redo a lot of the flooring, put some electrical in, and then this is going to be the new office studio space. But first, we have a minor plumbing emergency upstairs. Our garbage disposal is broken. Now, back to my favorite store. I do feel like I'm here almost once a day, sometimes twice a day, but there are a lot of home projects to do. Now, I've never taken apart a garbage disposal, but in theory, it should be pretty simple. So here's the garbage disposal, and all we have to do is disconnect the power, the drain pipe, and the dishwasher pipe. I need the Instagram content. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Yay!